So here's the thought. This is the Pilot without its barrel. I can make a little printed thing that goes over this and goes up to here. Just kind of covers this and adds a proper sized O-ring for silly shells to the front of this right there. The problem is silly shells do not fit within this gap side to side here. So I would probably have to cut these wings off like here, but then I could put a break action style thing there that could keep the silly shells, you know, in the brake barrel. Pivot off of this, actually just use like this tiniest little bit at the end. That spring there can be pushed down in there without having to take out the screw. So I can have it where you kind of push that down into there, put the thing through, and then this gap here will be used as structure. So I'll put a screw through there to keep the two halves of the printed pieces together. Something like that. And then, yeah, that would break open like this. It would probably be manual extraction, little grabby bits to use your hand to take it out. And I might need to put some sort of like locking thing up here to keep the barrel, you know, closed. But that would be relatively easy since I'm already putting something here for the breech seal. So I can just put an extra little thingy up here to keep the breaky bit closed. Yeah.